In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change link color in Webflow. To get started, open your project in Webflow so you are inside the designer and ready to make edits. Once your project is open, go to the page or section where the link appears. This makes it much easier to preview your changes right away and confirm that the new styling looks good in context. Next, select any text link or link block directly on your canvas. This is the element you will be editing. So make sure you click the actual link you want to update. If you are working with multiple links and want them to stay visually consistent, it's a good idea to pay attention to whether you are editing a shared class or just an individual element. After selecting the link, move over to the Style panel on the right-hand sidebar. This is where most of your visual styling controls are located in Webflow. In the Style panel, scroll down until you find the Typography section. This section controls how text looks, including things like size, weight, and in this case, color. Now, change the font color by clicking on the color setting and choosing the new color you want. You can select a color visually or enter a specific value if you already know your brand color. Take a moment here to make sure the color has enough contrast against the background so the link is still easy to read. That's especially important for both design quality and accessibility. If you also want to remove the underline from the link, stay in the Style panel and look for Text Decoration. Click the three dots to open the decoration settings. In the drop-down menu, select None. This removes the default underline styling from the link and gives it a cleaner look. Just keep in mind that if links don't have underlines, using a clear color difference can help users still recognize them as clickable. Once everything looks the way you want, click Publish to push your changes live. If your project uses multiple domains or staging options, make sure you publish to the correct destination. And that's it. Thanks for watching.